Fall is here, and that means more than just cozy sweaters, golden leaves, and pumpkin spice everything. This season also brings some of the most powerful fruits and vegetables that can supercharge your health, boost your immunity, and even help with digestion, weight loss, and glowing skin. In today's video, we'll talk about the 7 healthiest fall fruits and vegetables you should start eating daily, and how to use them in real-life meals, from your morning smoothie to your dinner plate. 1. Pumpkin, the king of fall superfoods. Pumpkin patch visuals, soup pouring into a bowl. Let's start with the star of fall, pumpkin. It's not just for decoration. Pumpkin is packed with beta-carotene, which your body converts into vitamin A, essential for healthy vision, strong immunity, and even youthful skin. It's also low in calories and high in fiber, making it perfect for weight loss and digestion. Daily use tip. Add half a cup of pumpkin puree to your morning oatmeal or smoothie. At night, try a creamy pumpkin soup with garlic and black pepper. Perfect for warming you up and nourishing your gut. 2. Apples, nature's gut cleanser. Close-up of a red apple being sliced, added to salad. They say an apple a day keeps the doctor away, and it's true. Fall apples are loaded with pectin, a type of fiber that feeds your good gut bacteria and helps reduce cholesterol. Apples also stabilize blood sugar, making them perfect for diabetics or anyone watching their weight. Daily use tip. Slice apples into your yogurt with cinnamon in the morning, or make a warm apple cinnamon compote at night. Also great as a midday snack with almond butter. 3. Sweet potato, the energy booster. Sweet potatoes baking in oven, mashed on plate. This root veggie is a nutrient powerhouse. Rich in vitamin A, potassium, and complex carbs, sweet potatoes provide long-lasting energy without blood sugar spikes. Plus, their fiber supports digestion, and antioxidants protect your cells from aging. Daily use tip. Roast 1 medium sweet potato with olive oil and rosemary for lunch. You can also mash it with Greek yogurt for a healthy dinner side dish. 4. Pomegranate, the heart and skin hero. Pomegranate being opened, seeds falling in a bowl. Those ruby red jewels? They're pomegranate arils, and they're packed with polyphenol, antioxidants that reduce inflammation and lower blood pressure. Pomegranates also support collagen production, helping your skin look fresh and youthful. Daily use tip. Sprinkle on salads or mix with walnuts for an afternoon brain-boosting snack. A splash of pomegranate juice in your water bottle makes hydration more fun too. Narrator. Don't skip these mini cabbages, they're full of sulforaphane, which helps your liver detox and may fight cancer. Also loaded with vitamin C and K, they're perfect for stress. 5. Brussels sprouts, detox and immunity weapon. Brussels sprouts sizzling on pan. Don't skip these mini cabbages, they're full of sulforaphane, which helps your liver detox and may fight cancer. Also loaded with vitamin C and K, they're perfect for strengthening bones and immune defense as cold season starts. Daily use tip. Roast with olive oil, garlic, and a bit of balsamic glaze. Toss into quinoa bowls or pair with baked fish for a complete fall dinner. 6. Pears, the gentle healer. Pear being sliced into a salad bowl. Juicy, soft, and soothing to the stomach, pears are often overlooked. They're rich in soluble fiber, great for digestion, reducing bloating, and controlling blood sugar. Also full of flavonoids that support heart and lung health. Daily use tip. Dice into cottage cheese for breakfast, or poach a pear in cinnamon water for a delicious, low-sugar dessert. 7. Beets, blood builder and brain fuel. Beets boiling, grated into salad. Narrator. Beets are like natural medicine. They're rich in nitrates that help improve blood flow to the brain and muscles, boosting mental sharpness and physical stamina. Also high in folate and iron for better red blood cell production. Daily use tip. Grate raw into a carrot beet slaw for lunch, or blend into a smoothie with orange juice and ginger. Daily fall diet plan using these 7 foods. Meal prep visuals with a weekly calendar. Let's bring it all together with a simple daily fall diet plan that includes these powerful fruits and vegetables. Breakfast. Oatmeal with pumpkin puree, cinnamon, and sliced apples. Herbal tea with pomegranate juice splash. Lunch. Roasted sweet potatoes plus Brussels sprouts plus baked salmon. A side salad with grated beets and walnuts. Snack. Sliced pears with a handful of almonds or cottage cheese. Dinner. Pumpkin soup or quinoa bowl with roasted Brussels sprouts. Poached pear for dessert. This plan supports digestion, immunity, and weight loss naturally. Soothing fall visuals with music. So the next time you're at the market, skip the processed snacks and reach for these fall gifts of nature instead. Your body will thank you. Your energy will rise. And your health will glow, inside and out. If you found this video helpful, like, comment, and subscribe for more science-backed health tips made easy and practical. And let us know, which of these 7 fall foods is your favorite? Drop it in the comments.